physical and mental. You the closest to big. That's why I love it.
Fucking hot girl shit, bitch. Real fucking ratchet shit, bitch. Come to the club and get it clapping and shit, bitch.
Hey y'all, it's your good day Zara. Hold on. Your good day Zara, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking. I honestly don't know what I really want to cook, for real. But I'm really hungry, and it's real late at night, and my kids are asleep. But of course, I'm gonna cook them some food. Oh my god, I need a retwist so bad. But of course, I'm gonna cook them some food, y'all, and put it up for them, because they like me. They wake up hungry, okay, and want to eat, and that's exactly what I'm doing, because I'm hungry. So y'all, I want to make this the best video I could. So with further ado, don't mind my hair. I really need to retwist. It feels like I retwist it all the time. Like, I feel like my hair is really not meant for locks, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep working on it. But y'all, I honestly do not know what I want to cook. Like, I have some rice. I got some rice. I forgot to grab butter. I got some butter, but so I'm gonna cook some rice, and I'm just gonna read instructions because I'm not really good at rice unless it's like a rice maker. But as of right now, I don't have no rice maker right now, so I guess I could boil it. I gotta boil the water, add rice, stir, cover, and remove from heat. Wait 5 minutes or until water is observed, then fluff. How much? So servings, 1 cup, 2 servings, 1 cup plus 1 cup. 1 cup of rice plus 1 cup of water. 4 servings, 2 cups plus 2 cups of rice. 6 servings, 3 cups plus 3. So I think it's like, it goes on and on. So yeah, I will probably be making some rice. I don't know if I want to make salmon or chicken, but I think I'm gonna go with salmon, okay? And I also have some shrimp, and I got green beans. I got some green beans, so I'll probably just use 1 can of this because it's only me and my 2 daughters. So y'all, so I will be making rice, shrimp. I wish I had broccoli, but whatever. Get some tomorrow. Salmon, and green beans. Okay, so I just want to show y'all what it's looking like. So that will be the dinner. So y'all, what I'm going to do is, hold on, I just want y'all to be able to see, okay? So what I'm going to do is get a pot for the rice. I don't want to make it too big, so I'll probably use this. Because like I said, it's just me and my 2 daughters. So I'm gonna put water on this. How many? So basically, I have to boil the water. So I'm gonna put some water in here. I need to fix myself. Okay. So y'all, water is going. Wait, because water. So I just noticed I don't have methane, so after I have to invest in it. So I'm about to just try to do the math off of my head. So I'm gonna get this water ready. So I got the water, I'm gonna put it on the stove. That's 1 step. So I'm gonna let that boil, y'all. As you can see, it is on the stove. So yeah, I'm gonna let that boil. Next step, I'm gonna take out the fish. So preheat oven to, I don't know if I wanna fry this salmon. I don't know if I wanna fry this salmon or cook it in the oven. I didn't even know you could boil fish, but okay. So cook on a higher temperature, 145 Fahrenheit. So preheat oven to 375. Place fish in an oiled bacon dish and season to taste. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes or until fish flakes and pierce with a fork. Okay, so y'all, I'm just gonna open this and see like how much is in here. So that's 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna throw this away because you know this is in the thingy thing. Yeah, I'm gonna cook in the oven because I don't got no flour. That's what I forgot. I forgot some flour. So I don't got flour, and I hate eating chicken and like chicken or steak or anything without flour. Not necessarily steak, but anything without flour. 1 second, y'all. Someone's calling me and being really interrupting me. Sorry about that, y'all. So my head is just everywhere. Okay, so God, my phone's about to die. Of course, it's about to die. As I'm doing a YouTube video, somebody will grab my charger. I'll be
5 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so I grabbed my charger. Put this on the charger because I don't want it to die. Okay, y'all, so sorry for the horrible lighting in here. Actually, okay, y'all, so this looks a lot better, I guess. I hope it does. Only if it would sit like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so sorry, I'm so all over the place. So I'm about to preheat the oven. It said, see, I got a bad habit of throwing stuff away. So I have to preheat the oven to 375. So yeah, I have a bad habit of throwing stuff away. So anyway, as of right now, I'm just gonna make 2 fish. Okay, because my kids are asleep and they probably won't want fish. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. And what I'm going to do is open this. I had scissors somewhere. I'm just gonna take this little handy dandy screwdriver. So I got this pan right here. And what I'm gonna do, I don't have foil. Do I have foil? No. Okay, so that's another thing I gotta get is foil. So y'all, it's really good to rinse your meat. Whatever meat you got, rinse it, okay? You know, just rinse it. Set it right here. Rinse it. Okay, y'all, so as I clean up, as I cook, I always clean up as I'm cooking, because I hate cooking and then having to come back and clean. I like to eat my food, sit down, watch something. As you guys will see in the video, I will be watching Stranger Things. Okay, I'm real late with Stranger Things, so don't judge me. I'm on Stranger Things, okay, not like episode 1, no, season 1, episode 3. Okay, anyway, y'all, so I got this seasoning up here. I got garlic salt, I got seasoned salt, I got soul seasoning, and I got Old Bay. I really have to, that's another thing I gotta do is, that's chicken seasoning, steak seasoning. I don't need that. But I got 1 little pack of this. dress is gorgeous. Let me grab the butter. And the crazy thing is, I was just about to grab some damn butter and forgot about it. Silly on me. So what I'm gonna do is season this real quick, but I want y'all to see how I do it. So I'm really trying to set it up to where y'all could see it. You can see my face. Oops. So I'm gonna move this and the butter and stuff. And oops. So y'all, the fish is right here. So there we go. I hope it's good. Okay. So y'all, I rinsed it off. I'm gonna lay it flat. So first I'm gonna start off with soul seasoning. And when I season, y'all, I use all the seasons on this side, and I flip it over and do that. So I'm just gonna season it, make sure it's all good. And then y'all, I'll flip it over. First I smear it in, because I want my meat to taste like everything, okay? So I'm gonna flip this over and do the same thing. But I'm gonna wash my hands because I got a little stuff on it. Smear it in or whatever, get all of it, like so. I'm gonna get some butter. Okay, sorry, I was reading the message. Y'all know how people be texting me or whatever. Okay, so I got the butter, and what I'm gonna do is just smear some of it on here, but it's taking the season off, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna remove these to the side. I'm gonna take my hand and just smear the butter, okay? I wanna make them breakfast tomorrow, so I can't use all this this freaking and just put tiny pieces of it. Okay, so y'all, it's seasoned. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Okay y'all, so the water is boiling. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I believe it says to be in there for 8 to 12. To be on the safe side, I'm gonna put 12 minutes. So I'll be back to get my daughter's iPad. So I can set a time. Yeah, y'all, ain't this picture cute? Y'all, all that free my brother and free they uncle, period. Free that boy 38. He'll be home soon. Anyway, so I'm gonna set my alarm to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna open this. Ooh, this should get hot, baby. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, y'all, so I put it in the oven. I'm about to set this timer for 12 minutes. So right now it's 10:47. So at 10:59, I'm gonna take it out, or I'm gonna flip it. So at 6 minutes, so 10:59, I know. So I'm gonna do 6 minutes each, cause you know 6 plus 6 is 12. So once at 10:53, I'm gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna let it cook, and then at 10:59 it should be done, but we just gonna see how this goes. Anyway, y'all, so I must keep this. I'm so clumsy. Oh God. Let me see. Okay, so I'm finna keep my daughter's iPad right here. Okay, y'all. So the rice. The water is boiling. So y'all, I hate when I open stuff and it's just not the correct way. I hate how. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna say put a cup of rice. So I'm gonna just do 3 servings. So I'm gonna dump this in here. And I'm gonna dump it in here. I really honestly think I'm gonna mess this up. I think I did it wrong. So, yeah, y'all, I think I put too much water on. I'm gonna have to get more rice. But y'all, I guess. Jesus. Okay, like I said, I'm not good at cooking rice, so don't judge me, but this is what it's looking like. So I guess I think I put too much water. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get my mittens, whatever these things is called, and I can't even dump it. Like, oh my God, I don't think I could do this. So y'all, hot. Let's just get this plate. Try to dump some water. So I honestly think I put too much water here. Some of the rice is coming out. Oh God. I think that's a foul. Anyway, I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna season the rice. Not too much though, but I'm gonna season it a little bit. I think I don't know this. Anyway, I guess they say like when you cook rice, you're really supposed to leave it and not mess with it. Horrible, y'all. I'm so horrible. So I'm finna just add. Oh, clumsy. I'm finna just add like some butter or whatever. So I'm just add some butter. And it says for the rice. So for the rice, it's wait until 5 minutes to whatever. So 10:58. I'm gonna check. Y'all, I'm so clumsy, y'all. But I'm just gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. I guess you gotta wait till the water absorb. Just to give y'all a little look. So that's what the rice is looking like. It kind of smells good in here. Okay, Dee. Y'all, I don't even really cook like that. Like when I was with my kid's father, he would always cook. And I was like, you know, I'm tired of this shit. Like, I need to cook. I'm a female. I'm a woman. So, yeah, y'all. So, next step is going to, let me put this rice back. Okay. So, y'all, I don't have a can opener. Okay, so, what I'm going to do is cook the shrimp. I'm going to cook it in this. Because I don't think... I'm gonna cook it. Well, it don't need to be this big, honestly. So I'm gonna cook it in this. It's not gonna be a lot of shrimp because, you know, my daughter's is sleeping, so there's no point in really, you know, going all out. Okay, y'all. this shit is boiling. Oh, okay. I think I did all right. Probably made a little bit too much, but that's the timer. So I'm about to flip the fish over, let this rice cook. And actually, my daughter loves rice a lot, so let me stop this timer. Okay, stop. So I mean, the rice is, it's all right, I guess. Anyway, y'all, what's wrong with this? What is wrong with my, okay, y'all. So the rice is looking all right, actually. I think I made too much, but smelling all right, I guess. So y'all, definitely put too much water. But I'm gonna just let that cook. I'm gonna put this over it and let that cook. All right, so next is the shrimp. Same with so I'm gonna just cut, rinse the shrimp off. I'm gonna put this camera back. So I'm just gonna rinse the strip off, put it on this plate. Not too much though. Don't really need that much shrimp, so that's about all the shrimp I'm going. So that water is boiling. Now I'm going to season the shrimp, y'all. First I gotta remove these little shits. So y'all can see. Get it in the pot. Dump it right on in. As you see, that's cooking. So y'all. Oh yeah, I gotta check the fish. What am I doing? So y'all, let me do this. Cause last time I burnt my hand. If you a real subscriber or whatever. Oh god damn it. I'm burning my motherfuckers over again.
Oh god damn it. I'm burning my motherfuckers over again. Anyway.
I'm gonna flip this fish over. I'm gonna use a spatula. So flip it over. And then I really forgot I don't have a can opener, so I'm not gonna cook this. Even though I wanted to, that would be good or whatever. Now my plate gonna look all plain. I could have cooked potatoes, but I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna put the top over the shrimp. Okay, so that's cooking. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna all this rice. So that's cooking. I'm gonna just clean up my area. The rice is cooking. I actually should check it. Yeah, the rice is cooking, the shrimp is cooking, the fish is cooking. So y'all, I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I'm gonna keep checking it and all that, and then we're gonna get back to y'all. Okay, let me move this close. So y'all, this is what the rice looking like. Don't judge me. Like I said, I can't cook no damn rice. Okay, and then the shrimp, and then the fish. Y'all really can't see. I wish this was the type of oven where it has light in it. Anyway, y'all, so I'ma just let this cook or whatever. It should probably be another 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Stranger Things while it's cooking, and then yeah, yeah, I'm gonna see how this turn out. I believe the rice is done. The shrimp, it could cook a little longer, but yeah, we gonna see what it look like. I'm gonna insert the plate, put the plate on the next clip. So y'all tell me what it look like, okay? And don't do me, cause like I said, I don't be cooking like that, okay? But yeah, y'all, hold on. I kind of cheated and tasted the rice. It just need more seasoning, so that's exactly what the fuck I'm gonna put in here, cause baby, it's all right though. It's really mushy, like, but I like my rice like that, so I'm not really complaining. So what I'm gonna do is stir this shit. God damn it, I'm fucking always burning my motherfucking soap. God damn it, I'm fucking always burning my motherfucking soap. I'm gonna just rip a piece off and see what it tastes like. It's actually good. But I'm gonna let it cook for another little. I'm gonna let it cook for like 10 minutes. So not hard. It's alright. Smushy, but put this in the refrigerator after I put on the shrimp. It's finished. It's all right. I don't know. I'm about to try each thing. This is what it's looking like. Let me get a better view. So yeah, I'll get better. I'll get better. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna try the rice. Like I said, it's really mushy, but the rice, it's seasoned good. Need lots of butter, cause I like this. That's how I like my rice, with lots of butter. Pretty good for the most part. The rice, okay. It ain't better than my mom's, but I give it a. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Now the shrimp. Could have been cooked a little longer, but it's still good. It's seasoned good. Now the fish. The salmon. Let me see. That's good. Very good. I just wish somebody was here to tell me if it's good or not. But I'll try shit. I don't care. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? For more cooking videos, or if you like me to try something, I didn't. I feel like this is the best drink. My daughter kept handing me this, so I'm gonna say something for her, but she got juice in the fridge and shit. But yeah, y'all, so that was the video. Don't forget to take a bite, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. We out of here.
Physical and mental, you the closest to big. That's why I love it.
Fucking hot girl shit, bitch. Real fucking ratchet shit, bitch. Come to the club and get it clapping and shit, bitch.